See on it? I'm wet. Yan, so kailangan natin magbayad ng entrance fee, 10 pesos lang dito sa barangay. And malapit na yung Tigalay Falls. Inabot rin ng almost 1 hour na tricycle ride from Bangged Abra bago marating itong entrance ng Tigalay Falls. Dabay bayaran dito? May babayaran din dito? Wala na? Magkano ma'am?
50 pesos each lang po.
Sabi nga entrance is para jay environmental fee lang. Okay. So 50 pesos entrance dito. And since medyo crowded pa yung lower part ng Tigalay Falls, try namin i-explore yung taas. So far yan, ano yung impression mo dito sa Tigalay?
Parang sa falls sa napunta dito ibang lugar. Kasi dito Bangkalan.
Sa ano no? Visayas.
Sa Visayas region.
Mindanao. Since yung tubig niya is napaka-blue. Kaya lang yun nga. Isa rin din sa mga napansin ko, napakarami ng artificial elements dito sa paligid ng falls. Talagang ang dating niya is resort na siya. And so short hike tayo papunta dito sa upper part ng Tigalay Falls. Ayan, tulad ng sabi ni Ian kanina, yung quality ng tubig clear and bluish, parang same sa mga quality ng mga tubig ng mga waterfalls na napuntahan ko na sa may part ng Visayas or Mindanao. Yun yung parang Kaparkan Falls na part. Yan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Ay, almost 1 hour rin namin dito sa upper portion ng Tiggalay Falls. So since crowded sa baba kanina, diretso kami dito sa taas. And yan, tama yung sinasabi nila na we can compare yung ganda ng upper Tiggalay dun sa Kaparkan Falls. Kumbaga parang yung upper Tiggalay is a portion ng Kaparkan Falls. Okay, yan. Ano yung comment mo dun sa upper Tiggalay?
Parang mas may part na mas maganda yung Tiggalay kasi sa Kaparkan.
Ganun ba yun?
Kasi kung anong tawag nun, may bagsak siya na malaki kumbaga sa Kaparkan.
Oh, sayang lang kasi hindi mo na-explore yung baba ng Kaparkan.
Oo nga eh. Kaya babalikan.
Ayun, so pababa na kami. And yung reason siguro na mas konti yung tao din sa taas is may hiking pa papunta doon. So try natin i-explore yung lower portion ng Tiggalay. Ito yung inaakyat ng mga turista papunta sa upper Tiggalay, kaya siguro ayaw nung karamihan. Yan dahil Sabado ngayon, yan, pila tayo dito sa picture spot ng lower part ng Tiggalay Falls. So since napakaraming turista, dahil yun nga, easy access ito. Kapag medyo crowded dito, yan, yung ginawa namin kanina, try nyo umakyat sa taas, mas konti yung tao. And mas maganda rin yung mga waterfalls doon, parang Kaparkan Falls.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
After 3 hours namin dito sa Tiggalay, yan, so time na ulit umuwi. Pabalik na ang Bangged. So yan. Ito yung lower portion ng Tiggalay Falls. Mamamasyal tayo dito sa Tiggalay, mas maganda na mas maaga or weekdays. Kasi as you can see naman, ganito karami yung bisita ngayong Sabado. So, pahirapan minsan yung paghahanap ng parking.
Back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt